Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Diecast Alfie. Tonight we're going to look at the 150 scale HUINA model, not sure how you pronounce it, and it's a bulldozer. A very nice model indeed. It comes in its presentation box here. Let's have a look. Okay, die-cast engineering vehicle model. Okay, now let's take this off, and there it is in all its glory. What a beautiful model that is. It is absolutely superb. The detail on it is very nice. I know we've seen this before, but we'll see it again. And there it is. I'm not sure why it's got dust on it. I've not even had it out. Interesting. Beautiful. So it comes all well packaged in this foam. Okay, I'm going to take it out the box. Oof, the weight of this thing, it's huge. It's got rubber tracks. They don't move. I know this moves up and down. The front bucket moves, and this back thing moves, this back hoe. Not sure what these red things are. I thought they were fire extinguishers at first, but they're not. They're obviously some kind of a hydraulic oil container, I think, for the pistons here. Hydraulics. Beautiful model. The money, very reasonably priced these are. You can pick them up £45–50 on eBay, and for a model of this quality, that is not eBay, sorry, Amazon I think it was. You'd probably get them on eBay as well, I'm sure. But what a beautiful model that is. Oh, it's a little bit too high, so we'll just readjust it. Let's see. Beautiful rubber tracks here. I say, very heavy. What a casting for that kind of money. Incredible how they can do it for that, really. I had a disaster with my turntable, so hence why you're getting the manual version. Okay, beautiful. Move that out of the way for now. Lovely. I mean, this thing, as I say, the big bucket moves, tilts, different angles, moves up if you want it up there. Oh, you can't see that. If you want it down, level, tilted up. Very nice. See, this backhoe moves up and down if you want it on the hydraulics. Can't believe the weight of it. Okay, lovely machine. You will not get a better quality model for that kind of money, believe me. That is an absolute gem for anyone's collection. Whether you like construction vehicles or not, just for the quality at the price point, it's unbelievable. I don't understand why I've got dust on it though. I'm not sure if that's coming through, but I shall give it a dust after. It's the first time I've unboxed it. Maybe somebody's had it out unbeknown to me. Little grandchildren possibly, you never know. Okay then, well, thanks for watching the video. Only a short one today, and if you like what you see, hit the like button and consider subscribing. I'm just putting a few different models on. See how we go. Okay, well, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next episode of Diecast Alfie. You take care. Bye bye.